Court is back in session today as an Oro Valley woman is on trial accused of causing a double fatal crash that took the lives of a young couple. This all happened back in the fall of 2019, and prosecutors say Jana Giron was texting behind the wheel when she crashed into the victim's car. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink, you've been out there listening to the testimony all throughout the day. What can you tell us about what went on in the courtroom?
Good evening, Monica. The prosecution has now rested its case. Before it did so, prosecutors called to the stand a witness who witnessed the accident. That young woman calling 911 on that November day 5 years ago. And she said that experience was traumatizing and shocking. At issue here, whether Jana Giron was distracted while driving when she rear-ended the car driven by Caitlin Festerling. Festerling's boyfriend, Paul Garcia, was in the passenger seat. Prosecutors say Giron was going over the speed limit, driving 53 miles an hour when the crash happened on the afternoon of November 13th, 2019, near Shannon and Lambert. Let's take a listen to Shania Disbrow. She was the one who called 911. Part of that 911 call was played for the jury, and moments after she made the call to paramedics, she told the court she went to check on the two people in the car that was hit from behind. Those two people, Caitlin Festerling and Paul Garcia.
I initially went to the passenger side, but it was so crushed in I couldn't see anybody. So initially I didn't think there was anybody in there. So I went around the back of the car to where the other person was. I didn't see movement or anything, and it seemed like her eyes were open, but looked like I couldn't really do much. I didn't see breathing or anything like that.
And outside the courtroom, Disbrow telling me that she had nightmares for a long time after this crash. She said it took her more than a year to be able to just get inside another small car like the one Festerling was driving. Jana Giron faces 2 counts of reckless manslaughter, 2 counts of criminal damage, 1 count of endangerment, and 1 count of tampering with physical evidence. If she is found guilty, she could spend more than 40 years in prison. This case goes to the defense on Tuesday morning as we follow the latest here. We're live downtown at Superior Court tonight. I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.
All right. Thank you, Eric, for that.